The next skill we want to work on within our fractions unit is taking an improper fraction to a mixed number. The reason that we want to start with this is because this is where our basic division facts and our division knowledge come in. As we see an improper fraction, first off I want to talk about what these two different types of fractions are, and then we'll go on to how to solve them and how to convert them one to another. An improper fraction is a fraction that's too big on top. Okay, it's like trying to build a pyramid where the top is bigger than the bottom, than the foundation. That just doesn't work. It's not right. Therefore, we call it an improper fraction. So sometimes we get fractions that just the numerator, top number, is bigger than the denominator, the bottom number. And we don't like it. So we want to convert those to mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are a mixture of two different types of numbers. Fractions, of course, because we're in our fractions unit, and whole numbers. So as we convert these to our mixed numbers, you'll see what those are. Okay. So, as I've said before, fractions are just a fancy division problem. So we look at this. 48 over 9, 48 ninths is the same as 48 divided by 9. So regular long division. 9 goes into 48 5 times. 9 times 5 is 45. 48 minus 45 is 3. Okay. Instead of doing a remainder like we're used to, just 5 remainder 3, the divisor, the one that's doing all the work, is going to keep doing the work. We're not doing any remainders anymore. We're going to be focusing on exact answers. So this 3 still goes up there where our remainder is, but it's just written a little bit smaller. And as a fraction, our denominator, we ask, well, what are we dividing by? We're still dividing by 9, so it would be 5 and 3 ninths. Our remainder goes straight up to become the new numerator, and we keep our divisor, the things dividing, as the bottom number. So 48 ninths, we can look at it the same way. 9 goes into 48 how many times? 5 whole times. That's our whole number part of the mixed number. 9 times 5 is 45. The difference there is 3, and we are still dividing by 9. So 5 and 3 ninths. This is an example of a mixed number because we have a whole number and a fraction put together. That's a mixed number. And that is how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers.